Hello and welcome guys. In this video we'll be demonstrating a project on automated meeting room reservation system. This project basically involves detecting movement or motion in meeting rooms or conferences rooms and updating a GUI on central monitoring system which will show us whether a room is being available for occupancy or not. For that purpose we are using three main or primary modules, which one of this is the SJ1 microcontroller board, which is equipped with free RTOS, which operates on free RTOS and equipped with an ARM Cortex M3 processor, and also a wireless module, which is called as Nordic Wireless Transceiver. So for demonstration purposes, we used three separate interfacing models. In those models, we are interfacing this controller with a PIR motion sensor. So the PIR motion sensor will help us detect movement or motion around separate rooms or meeting rooms, and it will send the same values over to this central monitoring system, which can help us see whether a room is available or not. So now let's get on with the demo. In this room, we have placed the same modules or the same models which have an interfaced PIR sensor with the SJ1 microcontroller board at three different locations. So I'll ask my friends to move around the PIR motion sensor so that it detects the movement, and we can see whether the corresponding values are being sent to this master node, which will update whether the room is available or not on this GUI which we have designed. Let's go, guys. Okay, now let's observe the GUI. As you can see that room 1 and 3 have already been occupied. Let's wait for the room 2 to be occupied. There you go. So all the rooms have been occupied because the slave node or the interface models are catching the detection values and are sending these values to this system, which will detect which will show whether the room is occupied or not. Now let's ask my friends to be still, and let's see if the motion detector goes inactive and whether we can see that there is no detection around the room. Yes, the rooms have been updated with the new positions. That is, room 1, 2, and 3 are all available and can be occupied at any time. Now, this was the condition. This was the case of whether movement is detected or not in the meeting rooms. But what if there has been an mechanical error, or whether there has been electrical failure in the system? So I'll ask my friend to manually terminate the connection of a PIR sensor from a microcontroller board and see whether the GUI is being updated correspondingly. So they are manually terminating the connection. So let's see what the GUI will show us. Let's wait for the GUI to update. It will take some time. Anytime now. Okay, there you go. So rooms 1 and 2 display the message called as no connection, because there has been some problem in the interface setup which are being used in separate rooms. So that's why in this case we can take measures to repair the system and bring back all the rooms that have been have been malfunctioning and restart the system effectively. So as we can see, we have demonstrated this project, which involves detection in separate meeting rooms. For only the demonstration purposes, we are using three separate modules or models in the same room, but I can promise that the same system can be implemented in three separate rooms, and with the help of this GUI, we can effectively demonstrate a project on automated meeting room reservation system. Thank you. Bye-bye.